Banana queue. Miss Stephanie is the videographer. Huh? Yeah. Okay, that's it. Here's our banana queue afternoon snack. Waiting for Nonoy. The girls, his markers he paid for.
Huh?
He paid for the girls' marker. In this way,
What do you pay for shopping?
yeah. Rolling hot on this. Oh, see? So cute. They have a salon center in here. Oh, wow. Native products. That way. So they come out that way too. Oh, they are going to do the market tomorrow. Getting off another and I actually saw Mary Jane Dogan, my classmate. No.
Well, the people are having coming out at 3 or 4 at night. So even when the sun comes down, they still gonna come out the same. Cooler.
No, this is just the time they will come in.
Yeah, cooler. The weather's cooler. Humidity drops.
The oyster shop. At 5. May dinner din sa doon, di ba? Sang mga ano? Oo. Wala?
What?
He said he did. Not today. Pero mayara ka mo ano?
He said today. This, oh, Tati did that?
Yeah, I don't want it.
What?
It's to help you with math.
Help you too.
Kind of.
Oh, I think you gotta pay for that.
She said it's free,
Oh.
but you need to set it up.
Don't throw
Don't
rocks.
pick up rocks out here. No.
I thought you just wash hands. Go wash hands